This is going to be a video tutorial on how to allow or block camera access in the Vivaldi web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Vivaldi web browser opened up now. To enable or disable camera access in the Vivaldi browser, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper left hand corner, up to the little Vivaldi logo. I'm going to click on that. Then on the drop down, I'm going to go down to where it says Settings. The keyboard shortcut for Settings is Control plus F12. I'm going to click on Settings. Now in the little dialog box that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, I'm going to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, I'm going to scroll down a ways, down to where I see the website permissions section, and in the website permissions section, right over here, camera, by default it's probably set to ask. You want to click that drop down. You can choose either ask or block. If you click on block, you'll be blocking access to your camera. If you click on ask, that's kind of enabling it. If the website wants to use your camera, you'll have a little pop-up appear in your browser asking you if it's okay if this website uses your camera. That is how to enable or disable camera access in the Vivaldi web browser. Thanks for watching.